Are you looking for the best cheap drawing tablet? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best drawing tablets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Wacom CTL 4100 Drawing Tablet. This one is from the big dog of the market, Wacom. The Wacom brand is generally known for providing quality tablets for high-end rates. However, by launching Intuos in the market, the company has again proved its geniuses. This is the entry-level Intuos model that'll work perfectly for amateurs to medium-level artists. Its touch sensitivity pen doesn't require a battery and is also up to the mark. Here, you'll get 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity for the precise and desired strokes. The Intuos drawing tablet comes with a decent working area of 6.0 by 3.7 inches. This length is a kind of sweet spot where you'll not have to compromise the stroke movement at all. On top of that, the total length of the tablet exceeds up to 7.8 by 6.3 inches that include 5 keys as well. Among the set of the 5 keys, the middle one is used for power management. The other 4 are known as express keys. Talking more about these express keys, they're available to lend you a hand. You can easily customize them with the help of the software, according to your needs. Although, the default functions these keys are equipped with are copy, paste, increase and decrease the brush size. The rewards for considering Wacom Intuos will surely help you a lot in your artist career. By just registering your Intuos with your Windows or Mac device, you'll get the premium versions of some of the popular art software, which might vary from time to time. Wacom Intuos is one step ahead of incompatibility as well. Whether it's Windows, Mac, or even Linux, you'll not have to compromise. On top of that, you can also plug the Android device with the help of an OTG cable, just simple as that. Number 2. Huion H610 Pro V2 Drawing Tablet. Huion H610 Pro V2 would be the best decision for moderate to professional artists. It surely does the work. The best thing? It fits right into the budget. The H610 is a great example of Huion makes their customer happy. Starting with the stylus of this artist tablet. There's no doubt that it has an important role to make this artist tablet one of the best in the market. This traditional-looking digital pen comes with 8,192 levels of pressure. This simply means it'll analyze every type of stroke and will provide you with desirable art results. On top of that, this ergonomic pen comes with 8 extra nibs and a pen holder for utmost support. The nibs will allow you to work with the tablet seamlessly for years. And the pen holder no doubt will give you a massive relief in the long run. Its built-in quality has no drawback as well. The Huion H610 Pro V2 tablet is designed with a durable aluminum frame for lasting strength and rigidity. Also, it has a back support design that kind of gets stuck with the surface and provides you with the best drawing experience. On the body, you also get numerous functional keys to make your art experience easy. You'll get a total of 8 press keys and 16 soft keys to get powerful control over any software. The tablet is designed with the user in mind. With this, you can easily take it anywhere. Whether it's a workplace or a coffee shop, the lightweight tablet will not bother you at all. Concerning this, you'll not have to compromise on the working area. Its drawing surface area of 6.5 inch by 10 inch works perfectly for the majority of artists. Number 3. Xoppox Drawing Tablet. Xoppox Graphics Drawing Tablet will easily satisfy every graphic designer and artist needs. It has everything that makes it a worthy competitor even for expensive top-notch drawing tablets. The best part is it provides you with a complete set to establish your professional working area. Starting with the tablet, it has a smooth large working area. You'll not have to compromise your natural drawing habit at all. Besides the working area, the tablet is good at providing you with vast functionality. It comes with 12 customizable shortcut keys that make your work easier. On top of that, the tablet is equipped with 10 more multimedia keys, for Windows users only. Thus, you'll save a ton of time in the long run. The stylus here is ergonomic and looks stylish as well. It comes with a high-pressure sensitivity of 8,192 levels. You'll have no issue creating your art in the most desired way. An intriguing part here is, the Xoppox provides you with 20 additional nibs as a backup. Want something juicier? You can use this artist tablet even in the absence of your laptop. The Xoppox Utmost compatibility allows you to use the tablet with Android devices as well. Here comes the best part of considering the Xoppox graphic drawing tablet: it comes with an additional stand. The aluminum stand will be the best thing for leisure lover artists. With this, you can set the tablet in the most desired position to get the utmost drawing results. At the same time, your hand will not be worn out here. Number 4. UGEE M708 Drawing Tablet. Looking for an attractive-looking art tablet that adds more points to your personality without compromising the quality? If so, you'll not be able to ignore the UGEE M708. It's loaded with both styles and features. Let's have a detailed look at it. By just having a glance at the tablet, you'll be sure the M708 is not like any regular tablet. Its 10.6 inches total length comprises a single sleek base. Out of this, a decent area is devoted to the working area. Along with that, you get 8 express keys to make your life easier. Here the keys feel high quality and feel firm on pressing. Coming to the stylus of the tablet. Here too, the sleek appearance of this retractable digital stylus completely steals the show. On the other hand, the pen shows no flaws in the quality factor. The 8192 pressure level is one of the best numbers you can expect in this budget range. You'll get 8 extra nibs, a smart magnetic pen holder, and artist gloves when talking about the accessories. Moreover, to have complete trust in the tablet, the company offers you a complete year of the warranty period. Number 5. VEIKK A15 Drawing Tablet. VEIKK A15 believes in providing a quality working surface with an aesthetic and sleek appearance. The tablet throughout the surface is smooth and looks great. Thus, here you'll get all the premium features with a professional touch. This A15 tablet comes with a decent working area of 10 by 6 inches, which works just fine in this budget range. In addition to this, you also get 12 express keys to make your life easier. The keys here are rubberized and feel good on pressing it. Coming to the sleek digital pen, the tablet comes with its high-pressure sensitivity of 8,192 levels will never disappoint you in the accuracy of results. On top of that, this pen also supports function up to 60 degrees. Thus, you get the experience of using a real pen here. Looking at the innovative approach of VEIKK on the A15 tablet shows how much they care for their customer. The tablet is equipped with the latest USB Type-C connection for more efficiency. On the other hand, the big power button is surrounded by red LEDs to make the tablet more appealing. In the compatibility factor, the tablet has no flaws as well. You can easily use it with most of the Windows and Mac devices. The VEIKK software allows you to configure the express key with ease. You'll barely face any issue in using it, even at the beginning. Want something more? The company even provides you with 1 complete year of warranty. Thus, you can completely rely on A15 for having the utmost drawing experience.